You want to invest. You want to be free. But every month, after paying your bills and credit card interest, there's nothing left. It feels like you're running on a treadmill, moving fast, but staying in the exact same spot. The truth is, debt is the anti-compound interest. While investing makes money work for you, debt makes you work for the bank. And here is the hard truth. If you don't kill your debt first, investing won't save you. Today, we aren't just talking about why debt is bad. We are breaking down the exact math of how it's killing your future. And I'll give you a battle plan to kill it first. Welcome back to Financial Freedom Hub. Let's learn to be free. Not all debt is created equal. Good debt is an investment in your future, like a low-interest mortgage for a home or a loan for a business that generates cash flow. It's using leverage to build wealth. However, remember this: even good debt is only good if you can afford it. If it's suffocating your monthly cash flow, it's not an asset, it's a liability. Then we have bad debt, or the trap. This is high-interest debt used to buy things that lose value the moment you take them home. If the interest rate is higher than what you can earn in the stock market, usually anything above 7%, it's a financial emergency. It's a fire in your house, and we need to put it out now. Let's look at the cold, hard numbers. If you have a $5,000 balance on a credit card at 20% interest and only pay the minimum, it will take you nearly 20 years to pay it off, and you will end up paying over $12,000. That's $7,000 in interest alone. These numbers aren't rare. They're normal. Millions of people fall into this cycle every day without realizing it. If that same $7,000 had been invested in a simple index fund like we discussed in last video, it could have grown into over $40,000 for your retirement. Debt isn't just taking your money today, it's literally stealing from your future self. This is where we go on the offensive. There are two proven ways to destroy your debt. Method A, the debt snowball for the psychological win. List all your debts from smallest balance to largest. Ignore the interest rates for a moment. Pay the minimum on everything except the smallest debt, and attack that one with every extra dollar you have. Why? Because when you see a debt disappear in just a few months, your brain gets a massive hit of dopamine. You feel like you're winning. Once the smallest is gone, you roll that entire payment into the next smallest. Like a snowball rolling down a mountain, your momentum becomes unstoppable. Smallest balance first for a quick win. Method B, the debt avalanche for the mathematical win. List your debts by interest rate, from highest to lowest. You attack the debt with the highest rate first, usually your credit cards. Mathematically, this is the most efficient way, because you cut off the bleeding of interest as fast as possible. It takes more discipline because it might take longer to see a balance hit zero, but you save the most money. Choose the method that you can actually stick to, because consistency beats optimization every single time. Highest interest first to save the most money. Getting out of debt is only half the battle. Staying out is the real victory. Here are 5 golden rules to make you debt-proof forever. Rule number 1, the 24-hour and 30-day rule. For purchases under $100, wait 24 hours. For anything larger, wait 30 days. Most wants are just temporary impulses. If you still need it after a month, buy it with cash. Rule number 2, build a first aid emergency fund. Before attacking debt aggressively, save $1,000. This is your shield. When your car breaks or your phone dies, this $1,000 prevents you from reaching for that credit card again. Rule number 3, automate your savings. Pay yourself first. Set an automatic transfer to your savings account the moment your paycheck hits. If the money isn't in your checking account, you won't spend it. Rule number 4, delete digital temptations. Unsubscribe from marketing emails and delete shopping apps. If you don't see the sale, you won't feel the need. Rule number 5, the subscription audit. We live in a subscription economy. $10 for Netflix, $15 for Spotify. These are death by 1,000 cuts. Audit your bank statements and cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Redirect that leaking money straight to your debt. I will soon provide an automated Excel tracking tool to help you visualize exactly when you will be 100% free. Don't miss the upcoming videos. Being debt-free isn't just about a zero balance. It's about the peace of mind when you sleep at night. It's knowing that every dollar you earn belongs to you, not the bank. If you're struggling, don't be ashamed. Be aggressive. In the next video, we build your full emergency fund, your ultimate fortress. Subscribe and join the hub. Let's reclaim your freedom together. Learn to be free.